Now we have this tube running, and if you didn't watch this video, check this out or just use the hint that is going to be above in the upper room, whatever. We're going to talk about the light today, and as you can see, the material is set to mesh basic material. So it is important that you use one of the available materials that is going to interact with the light. So let's go into materials, and let's look in, I don't know which one. Let's use mesh foam material. That is the one I want to use today for the sake of this video. Foam material. Let's look at the arguments it receives. Pretty much, I don't know, should I leave color? So now we won't see anything, obviously, because it's we don't have any light, and this is the real material. Let's add the lights. And the lights we're going to add in our create objects. So I would go here and I would say const, and I would make a light, and I would go also in the documentation in the docs, and I would search for lights, and as you can see we have 5 measure or main lights. So it's directional, it's hemisphere, it's point, spot, and ambient light. And there are many more others that you can use, but it's not the purpose of today's video to explain them all. I'm talking about the main ones. And in today's video, we're going to learn what ambient light is. Let's go and add the ambient light in. So I would say AMB light 1 equals to new 3 ambient light, and it receives color. Let's say the color is going to be just white for today, and let's say that intensity is going to be 0.5, and I want to add this light into the scene. AMB light 1 add into the scene. Let's check this out, how it looks like now. And as you can see, the light works perfectly fine. It is 1.5 intensity. If you want to use it on the full measure, you would just say 1, and now you see this. Wait, did anything changed? Let's say 10. That has to be bright. Yeah, it is bright. Okay. So depending of which intensity you want, you would use it, and the ambient light is basically the light that goes from everywhere. So if today is day, the light would go from the sun, and that would be a point light, right? But let's imagine that there is a day and there is no sun, and that is just, everything is light, like everything is bright around you. So that is what ambient light is all about. And I hope this video was helpful. Again, you can set up the color for the ambient light, and you can set up the intensity. Unfortunately, there is no helper for the ambient light since it's everywhere and there is no reason to care about where it goes from. Thank you.